सिद्धांत सरस्वती विजयते गौरीय गोष्ठीपति वंदे गुरुपदद्वन्द्वं भक्तबिंदसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्य प्रभुं वंदे नित्यानंद सहोदितं श्रीनंदनंदनं वंदे राधिका चरणोदयं गोपीजनसमयुक्तं बिन्दावनं मनोहरम् वाञ्छाकल्पतरुवस्य कृपासिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयतिगिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव वै पिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्तिपदे देवी सत्त्ववत्त्वयि नमो नमः। नारायण नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयो मुदीरये। संकीर्तने कृष्ण कथोपदेशे गौरीयपत्रस्य प्रकाशने च सदानुरक्तो गुरुभक्तियुक्तो भक्तिप्रमोदाक्ष जगोद्वरुन् ध्येयं सदा परिभवग्नमभिष्टदोहं तीर्थास्पदं शिवविरिञ्चनुतं शरण्यं वेत्तात्युहं पनुतपाल्भवाद्दिपूतं वन्दे महापुरुषते चरणारविन्दं यत्पादपल्लवनखचन्दमनिच्छटाय विस्फुरिजित किमपि गववधू स्वदर्शि पूर्णानुरागरससागर सारमूर्ति साराधिका मयि कदा कृपां करोसि। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तबिंद श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौरभक्तबिंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। आजानुलंबित भुजौ कनकाबदातो संकीर्तनैकपितरौ कमलायताक्षो विश्वाम्बरौ द्विजवरौ जुगधर्मपालौ वन्दे जगत्प्रियकरो करुणावतारो। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमामि गंगे तव पादपङ्कजं सुरासुरैर्वन्दितो दिव्यरूपम् भुक्तिं च मुक्तिं च ददासि नित्यं भावानुरूपेण सदा नरानं। गंगातरङ्गरमणीयजटाकलापं गौरी निरन्तरविभूषिः त्ववामभागं नारायणो प्रियमनङ्गमदापहारं वाराणसीपुरपति भजवीशनाथं। वागीशजुष्वदने लक्ष्मीर्यस्य च वक्षसि यस्यास्ति हृदयसंवित् त्वां नृसिंहमहं भजे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। Janosya Krishna Devimukosya Daivad Adharmasilasya Sudukhitasya Anugraha Eho Charanti Nunam Bhutani Bhavyani Janardanasya Janosya Krishna Devimukosya Daivad Adharmasilasya Sudukhitasya Anugrahaye ho charanti nunam bhutani bhavyani janardanasya. Gauriya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, he was asked one question by so many devotees. Very often he used to ask question. Why there is so much problem in devotional world? Why so much problem? Why there is scarcity of Harikatha Kirtan? Why there is so duplicity, fighting in by why? What for? We can expect this kind of behavior from outside people, those who are not doing bhajan. We cannot expect this kind of thing from devotees. Then what kind of devotees they are? Gauriya Goshtipati, Srila Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada, Paramahansa Jagadguru, he was asked one question. Very often this kind of question used to come in front of him. Why there is scarcity of Harikatha, Kirtan in the world? Why so much problem all around? What happens? What is the reason? Prabhupada speaking, well, the only reason that we cannot bear pure Guru Vaishnava. We like to kick them out of temple. You go out. We can start naked dancing, like bar. You go away. Because you stay, you can speak heavy. You can stop us. Better, there should not be anything. Anybody. We don't want anybody around us who can point out, you are making mistake, don't do it. Do your bhajan properly. We don't want. We like to keep them out. It's more practical. Then who can search out? Foolish people cannot understand what wrong I am doing, what I am doing. I can do whatever like Ravan. That is the reason for why. There is so many problems all around the world in the field of devotion, in devotional field. Actually, in devotional field, there should not be any problem. Because the ideal character and behavior of a sadhu going to show us how nice we can become. But unluckily, even in the name of bhajan, there is politics, dressing, pushing, fighting, killing. Okay, go on. Very good. But if you look into Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita or Chaitanya Bhagavat is open to you, you can see all the devotees of Bhagavan, Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Thousands of devotees. They all around Mahaprabhu. There was no infighting. No fighting. They are doing Hari Bhajan. Very nice, harmonized there. Totally Sankirtan, Harikatha, Prasadam. Why? Because there was no self-interest. There was no self-interest. That's why problem. If your interest is same with me, if your interest is same with me, if my interest is same with him, same, then what problem can be there? Our object, our goal is same, so mutually we can stay. There is no adjustment power, nothing. The only reason we have all private interest, more or less. Or at all I am not ready to confess that I have done. But your activities, your behavior, your character, all your activities is going to prove that you have personality. If not so, why you are going to hide yourself? Why you are going to hide yourself? If there is no self-interest. Life of a sadhu is open to all. Open book and diary. All those devotees at the time of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, all their goal is one and the single. That to give complete satisfaction to Chaitanya. We cannot do anything so that Prabhu can feel sorry. We cannot do. They are all doing same like-minded. Birds of same feather flocks together. Birds of same feather flock. Rajastama prakatayo samasila vajanti vai. You cannot make friendship with a drunkard. It's not possible. Because you are mentally changed, your behavior, your softness, your tenderness, everything you can stop you. No. How I can make friendship? But a drunkard can make a friendship with a drunkard. This is natural. So a sadhu can search another sadhu where I can get. Because without association, nobody can live. One sadhu can search where is actual sadhu. And they are going to kick out sadhu. Because if sadhu is there, big problem will be there. They can detect my fault. So better they can go away. Or we can put some allegation against them. We can put one allegation against them. Or they cannot adjust with anybody. Let them go away. They cannot adjust, they have no adjustment power, so they let them go away. That's useless. What do you mean by adjustment? What is the meaning of adjustment? What do you mean? What do you mean by adjustment? Adjustment doesn't mean a pure sadhu, elevated sadhu can come down to your level and can start dancing like a monkey. Our bhajan is like a monkey. Jump, jump, jump. Monkey jumping. So, surely we cannot expect an elevated sadhu to come down to your level to get adjusted with your behavior, character. Not possible. That is why we say, but you say that he cannot adjust. So let him go away. So what is the meaning of adjustment? Adjustment doesn't mean a pure sadhu can come. Adjustment means those pure sadhu can give you opportunity, countless opportunity. Countless. Go on. I know you can make fault. Okay, no problem. Try to rectify. Over and again. Try to think what I say. They can give you opportunity, they can give you love, affection, they can teach you. And then you will have to go up to his level, or at least to some level, so there is no too much desperate. You will have to adjust with Guru Vaishnava. Guru Vaishnava cannot adjust. Guru Vaishnava can adjust. Their adjustment means they can excuse you. Their adjustment means they can excuse you. Many times. You are making mistake. Okay, don't do it. That is their adjustment. And your adjustment, you will have to go up, try to accept his teachings and behavior, idealism, and go up to make an harmony. That is called adjustment. That is why throughout the world there is a scarcity of Harikatha. Harikatha in true sense. Pure Hariguru Vaishnava, they are not running for money. Give me money. Give me money. They don't speak. Whatever is the desire of Bhagavan, it can happen. In the life of Prabhupada, so important personalities, so important, that in a whole Gaudiya Math, you can say 1, 2, so important. When they gone against Prabhupada, left Prabhupada and gone away, then Prabhupada not even for fraction of second told, oh my God, they gone, now what I can do? Gone. They gone. Bhagavan can send others. One people stop giving donation, misunderstand me. Actually, I am not taking fat donation for. Anybody giving, okay, forcefully, okay. Take, go, sir. As such, I have no collection. Never, no, never in my life. Never go anywhere, give, give, give. By the desire of Bhagavan, whatever coming forcefully, whenever giving, no, no, don't give, you keep, you need it. Forcefully I speak. No, 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 it is for Gausava. Okay, then I say. But still, everything going on. So, a sadhu traveling like Gaurkishore Baba or Banshidas Baba, Jagannath Baba, Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Prabhupada, when they are moving here and there, that means surely they are going for some excellent purpose, absolute purpose. What is that? They like to speak Harikatha, deliver unbonded soul. That is the no other reason. They have no self-interest. They are going here and there. So, the sloka I started with, going to clarify all the devotees of Bhagavan, pure devotees, eternal Parsad, or those who are Siddha, Mahatma, maybe this life Siddha, okay, maybe. They all are trying to help bonded soul to come out of Maya. Nothing they are left. What you are thinking, enjoyment, please try to think over it. Nothing they are left. All contaminated, dirty, in the long run going to throw you in the ocean of misery. Someday, when you can grow your age, then you can feel helpless. Because you never wanted to accept the advice of sadhus. Anyway, your body cannot permit to take beef and pork, nothing. Because your age is enough. Your teeth can go out, or at all forcefully take, you cannot digest. Digestive system. So a man growing age, that doesn't mean he is honorable. A man growing age, 90 years, 80 years, that doesn't mean he should be given honor. It depends upon his character, behavior. Though honor should be given some respect, okay. But as such, as per Shastra, he cannot deserve honor. Because age is not such a factor where you can say your age is now 90, so you cannot say that all your kama, krodha, lobha, all gone. Age are grown up. That doesn't mean you are going to reach the stage of perfection, not that. But a sadhu, in the age of 4 years, 5 years, he can become perfect, like Prahlad Maharaj. Dhruva Maharaj was 5 years, Prahlad Maharaj was 5 years, so perfect. So, in the way of Hari Bhajan, age factor is not a big thing. Age factor is not so important. It depends upon how best possible way you can rectify yourself. That is all. So the sloka started with from Srimad Bhagavatam. Janasya Krishnad Vimukhasya Daivat. Those who are aversive to Bhagavan, they are less interested to hear anything about Bhagavan. Who is Bhagavan? I am okay, fine, don't disturb me. Like a drunkard, after drinking too much, going to, fall down in a drain, high drain. And his servant going to search where my master gone. Searching, well, ultimately find, oh my God, with a nice cloth, white cloth, is falling down a drain, high drain. Oh Babu, get up from there. Why you are here? Don't touch me, I'm okay. Drunkard speaking. I'm fine. Don't touch. He is on his own realm. Everybody has it. Actually, all jivas, if you make one scientific survey, you can find that each and every jivatma has some other one or other kind of, any kind of intoxication. Some or other kind of. But intoxication must be there. Somebody has intoxication to play and gamble. Somebody like to drink wine. Somebody like to play with, dancing there in the bar. Any kind. Somebody mad to read novel, buying costly novel and nicely. Some other way. They are in intoxication. Somebody in churut, cigarette, or heroin, or brown, any. Without contamination, you cannot find. Without contamination, you cannot find it. Even if you find one pope, who is controlling church, he is not beyond contamination. In Vyasasana, I am going to church. I can touch Bhagavatam and speak. They are not. They cannot maintain. Because the way they are leading their life, it cannot permit them. Maybe as a man he is good. But the way they are maintaining, that cannot allow them to purify their heart. The only way open. That's why that day I told, whole world, if you search, whatever dharma, whoever going to follow, I have no objection against anybody, no enmity, but it's open secret. Any dharma, be it Buddhist, Christian, Isai, whatever dharma they are doing, okay, they can let them do. But what I mean to say, no way they can purify themselves. The only way open, the only way. You confess or cannot confess, that's up to you. But I can scientifically prove, in front of lakhs of people. In front of lakhs of people, openly in blackboard I can prove that you cannot maintain purity. Not possible. We are not going to hate anybody. But we say that Bhagavad Dharma, Vaishnava Dharma, that is the only way through which you can reach up to the level of perfection. No other way. So, in Bhagavatam it is written, Janasya Krishnad Vimukhasya Daivad Adharma Silasya Sudikhitasya Anugruhayeho Charanti Nunam Bhutani Bhavyani Janar. Those who are aversive to Bhagavan, the Supreme Lord, though I know God is our Krishna, though I know Allah is our Krishna, but they are not going to obey. No. So everybody, according to their own choice, they can select one Bhagavan. Very nice market of Bhagavan. According to a choice, you can go to market, you can buy. This is Supreme Lord, God. I can go to market, I can also buy. Very good. According to a choice, it cannot be so. Man, come on, it cannot be so. God is one and single. Be it Einstein or Tolstoy, whoever is. All they agreed on this point. Bhagavan is one and single. Maybe we are calling God, maybe Allah, yeah. But God is one. No, not more than one. He is one and single. According to your call, according to your call, according to your prayer, He can give response to you. If you don't believe, you agree with me, I can show you. He can respond to you. He can respond. One big scientist, international scientist, C.V. Raman, on light spectra. Of course, one scientist from Italy, Niels Bohr, he also done. He was at the same time football player, World Cup football player. At the same time, he was a big scientist, Nobel Prize winner, Nobel laureate. Point is that the C.V. Raman, he is not ready to accept. He is South Indian. South Indian. Our Paramahansa Madhav Goswami Maharaj, the great, he was sent by Prabhupada to invite him in the symposium. We went. He is not at all ready to give 1 minute time to that great exalted sadhu. How much false ego. Finally, he was informed by the guardman, okay, 5 minutes you can go and meet. He is going, he is working and writing in a paper. but not looking who is coming. So much vanity. At least you must look who is coming. Great sadhu. And not looking. Yes, you can speak. He is speaking by the desire of my Guru Maharaj. From Gauriya mission, I have come, Gauriya Math, I have come to invite you for symposium, for Harikatha, Kirtan, everything. I am going to invite you. Then he is speaking heavily. What I cannot see, I cannot believe. I cannot give time. He is speaking this way. He is gentleman. Come on. Madhu Goswami is speaking, sir, what you can see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you speak what is happening behind this wall right now? Then walking. Sir, what you can see? You are speaking the what you cannot see, cannot believe. You can speak what is happening behind this wall, then looking. Can you show Bhagavan? Then he is undone, he is speaking. Can you show Bhagavan? So, yes, I can show Bhagavan. I can show Bhagavan. First of all, I have one question. You are given guidance to 20 scientists, under one big leader, scientist. Some new scientists, new people coming now, they are qualified, 20 or 10 or maximum. Under guidance, his guidance, making research. After that, they can submit thesis, and thesis there in the hall, all scientists can hear. If they find it's okay, they can sign and permit, they can give doctorate. That is the system. Then Madhu Goswami is speaking, sir, I like to make doctorate under your guidance. But this is not the system. This is not the system. What is the system? First of all, you have to pass BSc, after MSc, after some special study, after that there will be big, competition, exam, after that you can qualify, after the Viva voice, after that you can pass, then you can do research under my guidance. Not that. You like to do research, that doesn't mean you can get permission to do research. Those are the system. After that you can go on doing, after 3-4 years, course is complete, you can submit it. Well, come on, Maharaj, sir, same thing I like to say. You can come, I request you, under the guidance of Guru Padma, you can stay. Whatever he is giving instruction, you can go on hearing or obey. And after some day, when you can get maturity, directly you can see Bhagavan. Directly, Bhagavan. Bhagavan is invisible, na? Bhagavan is invisible. I can show you. I promise you I can show you. Come. Then he is going to stop this kind of audacity, people. So, people, they are full of false ego. They are putting challenge. The only way open. I am not going to say whoever doing, whatever they are doing all over the world, this is Hari Bhajan. I cannot speak this way. They cannot give me any bribe. I never accepted any bribe from anybody. If you like, you can stay in here, or else you can go away. That is my formula. If you like, you can come, or you can go away. Many such cases. Hey, go away, don't come either. No, there you can go. There you can go on here. You can get more facility, sweet ball, this, that. Go there. Honor, I cannot give. This way, there is big problem. Harikatha, pure Harikatha Kirtan. If we are busy with Harikatha Kirtan whole day and night, what problem, what false ego can touch us? There cannot be any mutual fighting because we are busy. Same thing happened with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Different people, even Muslim people came, Haridas Thakur Muslim. Some other Sampradaya came, all they are totally harmonized because they all had one single object. Follow. I many times told, in one paper, if you take one pen, a pencil and compass, put center point and draw some circle this way. After that, you can make the compass little bit less or higher, but the center point is same. Again you make this way, countless circle you can make, countless circle. You make surface, this, that, little bit too, all circle. But no circle can cut another circle. No circle can cut another circle because all center point same. But little bit 0.1 millimeter, if you displace the center point, and the moment you displace the center point, you draw another, and they are going to cut all circle. Oh my God. That is the same point. That is the reason for why we cannot agree with Guru Vaishnava, pure Guru Vaishnava. Mayadevi cannot allow us to become niskapat, free of duplicity. Mayadevi cannot allow us to become free of duplicity. Duplicity must be there. Without duplicity, nobody can do Hari Bhajan. This is present condition. Duplicity must be there. Then Hari Bhajan. Without duplicity, who can do Hari Bhajan? You can show one example all over the world. This is not present condition. Same thing I wanted to discuss. You can remember Naradji Maharaj by chance coming in contact with Naradji Maharaj came in contact with Bhakti Devi. And by chance, he came, and this way, Bhakti Devi requested him. This is one kind of mutual game, you can say. Bhakti Devi is all powerful. Anyway, Bhakti Devi requesting, you try to solve the problem. Now I am facing problem that Gyan and Vairagya is my two sons and sick, very sick, what to do? After that, Naradji Maharaj told, well, you give me some time. I like to think out. After that, fraction. Well, now I know. Problem is there, at present, Kalikal, it is Kali Yuga, very dangerous. Kali is the age of controversy, so you are in problem. Gyan, Vairagya, nobody can subscribe. All busy with dirty work and activities. That's why you are not getting any protein, vitamin, mineral. That's why you have this condition. No subscriber. This way, Naradji Maharaj, Bhakti Devi wanted to put one question that I already wanted to discuss. And your point I can discuss tomorrow morning time. Not today, not relevant. So, yesterday I told, that was the question of Bhakti Devi to Naradji Maharaj. The Maharaj, Parikshit Maharaj was so powerful. So powerful. Then why he could not give any punishment to Kali? Because Kali is dangerous. He could easily give punishment. He was a powerful king. Then why he could not give any punishment to Kali? Then Naradji Maharaj speaking, actually Parikshit Maharaj is a great devotee, Mahabhagavat. In Bhagavatam 3 or 4 places, Esho Mahabhagavataha. So, he was Mahabhagavat, he was looking into the Kali. He saw Kali is full of problem, it's right. But Kali is having one nice, excellent quality, by the help of which even common man, by doing Hare Krishna, go to the lotus feet. So, just like a honeybee is going to collect honey from the flower, not the poison there, similarly, Parikshit Maharaj wanted to make some judgment. If I kill Kali, then I can kill. But I find one nice quality in Kali, that all in this Kalika, only and only Hare Krishna, Hari Bol, one can cut material bondage and go to the lotus feet of Bhagavan. Kaler dosha nidhe rajan osti ek mahan gunaha kirtanad eva krishnasya mukta sango param. Yesterday also I told. That is the reason. Kali, about Parikshit Maharaj, it is written in Bhagavatam, Saranga eva sarabhuk. Saranga eva sarabhuk, like one Paramahansa. Those who are pure Paramahansa, they are not going to find any fault with anyone. Paramahansa always watching quality in you. That is the nature of Paramahansa. So, Parikshit Maharaj, great Vaishnava, Mahabhagavat, so he wanted to collect only the positive thing there inside Kali, which is such a positive thing which can be of great use for us common people. But anyway, common people cannot do ascetian penances, hours after hour, fasting, this, that, they cannot do. So at least they can say, Hari Bol, Hare Krishna, and hear Harikatha, they can go on. That's why Parikshit Maharaj didn't want to kill Kali. That was the reason. He was like a honeybees. Tulsidas ji also wrote same thing. All different Purans, wherever you go, Kali Shantarani Upanishad, Adi, all supporting this Siddhanta. Tulsidas ji already told, though you cannot understand it in Hindi, Kalikal keval naam adhara samaru samarajiv utarahi para. Hindi, typical Hindi. You cannot understand. Kalikal is full of problems. For Kalikal, Bhagavad Naam, Harinam is the only support. Kalikal keval naam adhara samaru samarajiv utarahi para. For Kalikal, Harinam is the only support. If somebody can take shelter of Harinam, chant Harinam, sing glories of Bhagavan, definitely I can put challenge in agreement. But they must be niskapat. If they are kapat, I cannot take responsibility. For kapat people, no space there. Now, Naraji Maharaj is going to give consolation Bhakti to Bhakti Devi. Well, don't feel so much disturbance. Bhagavan is there, watching everything, who is in what problem. So you can keep hope. Today or tomorrow, Bhagavan can give response. Prabhupada used to say, today big danger coming in my life, that's mean some good time waiting for me. Now I am facing problem. If you can, if you can keep patience, surely next you can be given nice opportunity. Don't become restless. Oh, big problem, I can die. But, or somebody can commit suicide also. They cannot bear. Small thing. Small thing, very. Commit suicide. Why you? Committing suicide is the biggest offense. You have no right. You are given this body like you are taking some money lent from bank. You have taken, like somebody, you need money extra. You are going to bank. You give me 2 lakhs rupees lend. You will have to give, interest for that. So you are giving this body similar way. You have taken a loan of this body from Prakriti, nature. That is not your body. You think it is my body. Your body, then why your body not going to hear you? If it is your body, you prove that it is your body. Morning time you are okay, evening time sick, night time you are feeling big problem, mental problem, but you have no bearing over your body. Anytime there can be corona effect or any other effect can be there. No bearing. You think it is my body. My body. You are speaking. So, my body, my body, my body is you are shouting. This means you are ignorant. Number one, foolish. This is not your body. You are given this body for some period as a loan. You can utilize it. If you can utilize it properly, you can get the result accordingly. If you are going to utilize your body a wrong way, you can get punishment for that. On this point, same thing in Bible there. I gone through Bible when I was 10, 12, 14 years. I gone through Bible, everything. Also I can show Quran is there with me. I keep it. So, according to your use, how best possible way you can use your mind and body, according to that you can get result. You can get. So, Naraji Maharaj speaking, Jada Mukunda Bhagavan Ksham Tyaktva Sapadam Gataha Tad Dinat Kali Rayataha Sarvo Sadhana Badhakaha. What speaking? Jada, the moment, the time when Mukunda, Bhagavan Govinda Krishna, when he went away from this world. Govinda left after completing all his Leela, Govinda left this material world. Govinda gone to his eternal. So Naraji Maharaj speaking, Jada Mukunda Bhagavan Ksham Takta, this earth, living earth, as and when he gone to his own eternal abode, from that moment, all Koli was waiting. Koli was waiting and watching when Krishna can leave. The moment Krishna left and Koli entered, because Koli cannot get any opportunity when Krishna is there. Follow. Like when there is Harinam, when there is pure sadhu, ghost cannot overpower you. Ghost cannot enter you. Ghost cannot enter you. If you are doing Harinam, Kirtan, always pure, ghost cannot catch. Ghost is there, you are here, nobody can. Ghost was there, and I am here, just here. Cannot do anything. He is threatening me, I can kill you, kill me, come, kill me. Open incident, everybody knows, in Delhi. You kill me, if you have your power. I come to deliver you, you idiot like to kill me, rascal. I like to help you. He was delivered, never came back. For the 12 years, that ghost was a Muslim ghost. He was there inside the body of a girl, very sweet girl, Delhi. 12 years. Going to destroy family life, everything. This way. So, the moment Bhagavan Sri Krishna left this material world, Koli took entry and started problem. Naraji Maharaj speaking, Sarvo sadhano vadakaha. Any kind of sadhan bhajan, you can think out, but you can think some Koli is there standing to spoil your program. Anything you think out, no, I can do this. And Kali is planning how to spoil the program. So anyway, Parikshit Maharaj was Sarango, he was Saravuk. So Parikshit Maharaj thought, Jat phalam nasti tapasana yogena samadhina yat phalam labate sammak kalu keshava kirtana. Parikshit Maharaj saw Kali is having countless problems, but only by Nam Sankirtan. By tapasa, you cannot get sufficient result. Yoga, aesthetic, finance, anyway. Yat phalam nasti tapasana yogena samadhina yat phalam lavate sammak kalu keshava kirtanat. Hari bol, Hare Krishna. All problem over. Anyway, now Naraji Maharaj going to put some assurance in front of Bhakti Devi. Don't worry. I promise you. I can establish Bhakti, I can distribute Bhakti door to door, even in this Kalikal. Tomorrow I can say about Kalikal in Bhagavatam, what is written, so many things written. So, different pilgrimage you can go, but you can find all pilgrimage is full of heartless people in the uniform of sadhu. You like to go to pilgrimage, na? Only in one kind of entertainment, nothing else, not Hari Bhajan. You can find on those pilgrimage or different and heartless, demons in the uniform of sadhu, tilak, nice, sitting there to cheat you. When I went 22 years back, or maybe more, I cannot remember, 25 years I went to Bodhinarayan, hilly place. One Baba, penniless, went there. I am searching where to stay night time. If not, then I will stay in the snow falling. Then I was searching where to go. I took information. Then by chance, I meet with one Panda, Gauriya Panda. He said, well, Maharaj, I can allow you to stay. One night you can stay, no problem. She allowed without paisa, payment. Then I was searching where to take some prasadam. The prasadam, hilly place where I can get no trip. I was searching. Somebody said, Maharaj, you go to some ashram, the Nimbarka, Kakchor. That was Ekadashi day. They are giving some peanuts, everything boiled, and potato, they have nothing. Because hilly place, one cucumber, that time, 5 rupees. That time, 25 years back. Now one cucumber, 25 rupees. One cucumber. So costly. Because who can take? Because you have to take from plane up to that. Carrying cost very heavy. After that, when I was going there, I was watching some ashram. Immediately some sadhu, they are doing gaja. That gaja, those sadhu. Baba, come on, come on. They thought I am in their group. They are taking ganja. Baba, come on, come on. Come on. They thought I am in their group. I saw, Ram, I go from that place. All the group, very nice, Sabha, this way. And morning time, I went to, many times and more than one time. I went to Vyas Gufa with Bhagavatam, Vyas Gufa, where Vyasadev wrote this Bhagavatam. So fantastic experience in my life gathered. Military man also, China border, waiting. Baba, come on, come on. I said, military man, they cannot allow me inside tent. Then no problem, you come. I sit there, talk with them. They say, Baba, where you are going? I am going to Vyasasana. Prasadam you can give me while going to return. I can give you prasadam, no problem. China border. There. So this kind of experience, very sweet experience in my life. Even my life was there in Brajadham. So sweet experience, so friendly relation with the Brajavasis. I feel very nice. Remember, now I have no scope. You cannot allow me to go to Brajadham in the forest. By that time I was alone, very nice life. Vagabond, sleeping under tree, going there. Even one insect, even what to speak about snake, never cut me. I sleeping open place, all around snake, but never. All darkness. So I believe Bhagavan. I know he is there watching me, what I am doing. So, Naradji Maharaj speaking, well, don't worry, I can try to establish you in door to door, everywhere. I can try my best. Because Naradji is the topmost Acharya of devotional field. And Shankar Bhagavan, both of them. Shankar Bhagavan and Naradji, both of them, they are the topmost Acharya in this, who can give bhakti. But the only difference between Naradji and Shankar Bhagavan externally manifesting some different, different sarup. And Naradji, Shankar Bhagavan purposely want to explain some sarup which you cannot accept. Internally, Vaishnavanam Jathasam. We know na? Nimnaganam Jatha Ganga, Devanam Achyuto Jatha, Vaishnavanam Jatha Sambhu, Purananam Tuhidam Bhagavatam. Like Shankar Bhagavan, you can find one Vaishnava all over the world. But externally, he is manifesting this kind of sorrow to cheat you. Like Jagannath Bhagavan. If you go to Jagannath, Arey Maharaj, there is no hand of Jagannath, what I can expect? Some foolish people, they are going to Jagannath. As Jagannath, no hand there. Arey, no hand there, no leg there. I can help Jagannath. What Jagannath can help to me? This kind of conception you can grow. Better not go. But actually, Jagannath like to cheat us. Jagannath goes, you see, I have no hand and leg. So better you can go to some other place. Don't come to me. Jagannath like to cheat us. You see, I have no hand, no leg. So better you can go to some other place. Make me free. Jagannath has aprakita hand and leg. Same fighting took place between Sarvamata and Mahaprabhu tell. He said, no, it's written in a person. Bhagavan, Brahma has no hand and leg. Oh, why not you go up and down? You are on the point in one sloka. Why not you go up and down? There you see. Apani pado javano grahitva pasyatiya chakshu srenatiya karno. There is written, no hand and leg of Bhagavan. It is written, I agree with you. But the second line what reading, he is running fast and accepting it. If there is no hand, how we can expect it? So by watching the first slok, first line, you like to cheat. Apani pada javano grahitva. Apani pada, okay. After that, he is running fast and accepting what you like to give me. Bhagavan speaking, in Upanishad written, Bhagavan can see without eyes, Bhagavan can hear without ear. That means Bhagavan has aprakito ear, nose, aprakito hearing organ, aprakito mind, aprakito leg, hand, everything aprakito. Not material like you and me. That is the difference. So understand? So, Naradji Maharaj, Naradji Maharaj speaking, well, I promise you, I can try to find out such a excellent solution. Not only that, but also I can establish in a room, every room. My name is Narad. My name is Narad, you see. And you see, at present, all around the world you search out, there is no Sampradaya Nishta, no hi Vaishnavata Kutro, Sampradaya Puro Sara, Evam Prayata, Prapto, Saravastu Sthale, Pralayatam. Nowhere we can find that one sadhu having Sampradaya Nishtha for devotional feel purely, all gone. Big problem. But Devi, Bhakti Devi, speaking Narad, why this reason happening? Vayantu juga dharmo hi vartate kasho dushanam. Whom to blame? Whom to blame? Whom to blame for that? Actually, the Kali, this age itself, contaminated. That's why. Kali, this age is itself contaminated. Whom to blame? Ayam tu yuga dharmo hi vartate kasudushanam. Atastu pundarikakshaha sahate nikatesthitaha. Bhagavan watching and bearing everything. Bhagavan watching and bearing everything. He has countless eyes and nose, countless ears, not like us too. Backside whatever. Bhagavan has countless ears. In Purusha Sukta mantra, what is there? Om Sahasra Sahasra. They are written. Countless. So, Ayam tu yuga dharmo hi vartate kaswadushanam tat atastu pundarikakshaha. I mean Bhagavan watching everything. Don't feel disturbance. Wait, and watch. Confined service. He is waiting. Atastu pundarikaksha sahate. Bhagavan purpose is bearing. Because this is the age Kali. What to do? Sutadev Goswami now speaking. I mean the speaker is Sutadev, and in between Sanakadi Rishi, Sanat Kumar, all coming, Naraji, all in between. You must maintain track. If you lose your track, you cannot make any head and tail, whatever. Suto vacho. Iti tad bacham srutya vismayam param gata bhakti ruche bacho huyaha sriyatam tacho saunaka. After hearing all in details about the present status of yugas, everything, Suta Goswami is speaking. Well, after that what happens? Bhakti Devi started speaking. True? Bhakti is speaking. Surar se tvam hi dhanno osi mad bhagyena samagataha sadhunam darshanam loke sarva siddhi karam param. Bhakti Devi going to glorify Naraji. Surar se means Surar se means topmost rishi. Sur or rishi. Surar se. Tvam, you are actually great. You are actually great, you are successful, dhanna. My luck is very favorable. My luck is very favorable. That's why you come in front of me. Surar se, tvam hi dhanna osi mad bhagyena samagataha. Luckily you come in front of me. Well, and by watching one pure sadhu, if you meet with one pure sadhu, you can fulfill everything. Because Vaishnava is Bancha Kalpataru. Vaishnava is Bancha. We have seen in the life of Guru Maharaj, somebody coming with a desire to get money from Guru. By his blessing only. They want money. Somebody goes, Maharaj, my son 2 times failed in exam, you bless so that my son can pass this time. Or somebody comes, my daughter I like to give away in marriage, but I cannot arrange with you. Please bless her so that I can arrange marriage. This is their demand. No, none of them speaking, Maharaj, I like Bhagavan, you please give me now. We don't need Bhagavan. We don't need Bhagavan. We need something from Bhagavan. We like to make Bhagavan our servant. Supply money. Love, puja, padishta, supply Bhagavan. In fact, we don't want Bhagavan. We want something from Bhagavan. Bhagavan can give us money, position, rank, everything. Bhagavan is a servant, our servant. We are not servant of Bhagavan. This is our condition. So, Bhakti Devi is speaking, Shurar se tvam hi dhanno osi mad bhagyena samagataha sadhunam darshanam loke sarva siddhi karam param. By chance, if somebody meeting with pure sadhu, all his desire there can come out successful. Because sadhu is banchakalpa, we-sealing tree. We-sealing tree, banchakalpatru. After that, Bhakti Devi is speaking, Jayati, Jayati Mayam, Jayati, Jayati Mayam, Jasso Kaya Dhavasti, हैं? वचनो कि वचनो रचनो में कम केवलम चाकलज्य ध्रुवो पदम ओपियातो यत कृपतो ध्रुवो अयम सकलो कुशल पात्रम ब्रह्मपुत्रम नतास्मि. I like to pay pranam because it is you so powerful. By your power, by your kripa, Prahlad Maharaj was successful to attain the lotus feet of Bhagavan. It is you, by your mercy, so powerful. Dhruva Maharaj was successful to attain the Dhruva path. All. Dhruva padam upi yatu yat kripatu dhruva ayam sakalo kusala patram brahmaputtam natosmi. I can keep hope that surely your darshan can never come out failure. Your darshan means surely, maybe I will have to wait for some time, so I can come out seriously. So what to speak more, I know, you can. Then after that, Naradji going to give some consolation to Bhakti Devi. Don't break down, keep hope. Naradji speaking, it is second chapter. Britha khedayase vale aho chinta tura katham Sri Krishna charanam boja smaro duksham gamishyati. Naradji was speaking, unnecessarily you are lamenting. Unnecessarily. You wait and watch. Britha khedaya. This printing is so bad. Britha khedayase bale aho chinta tura katham Sri Krishna charanam bhajam smaro duksham gamishyati. Unnecessarily you are lamenting. Don't become full of anxiety. Try to cut. You try to think the lotus feet of Krishna, and all problem can go vanish. Is going to give consolation to you. Why not you can remember? What was the great problem with Draupadi? In the open assembly, the idiot brother of Duryodhan, Dushasan wanted to make you naked. Make it in the open assembly. Going to open cloth. He was successful? No. Because Krishna was there. He went on pulling the cloth. In the form of cloth, Krishna came to protect his prestige. Draupadi cha paritrata jena kauravo kasmalat palita gopasundaryo sa Krishna kapi nagataha. Krishna gone nowhere. That Krishna who wanted to save Draupadi, wanted to arrange the destruction of Kaurava because of their sinful activities. That the same Krishna took care of those Gopasundaris, those Gopikas in Vrindavan. Saw Krishna, kapi nagata, nowhere gone. Krishna nowhere gone. Krishna is there in hidden form. So, you wait. Tam tu bhakti priya tasya satatam pranato adhika taya ahutamstu bhagavan yati nicho griheshu opi. You are the dearmost Shakti, Bhakti Shakti of Bhagavan. Bhagavan always keeping you inside heart. Why you are lamenting? It is for you. When you permit, when you like to go to a poor man or, then automatically Bhagavan grant. If you like to go to a very fallen soul, their house, home, Bhakti Devi, then Bhagavan also approve it. Oh, Bhakti going, I must be say. Where Bhakti, I must say. Tomorrow I can discuss. Where Bhakti, Bhagavan must be there. Bhakti there means Bhagavan there. No Bhakti, Bhagavan is not there. So, tam tu bhakti priya tasya satatam pranoto adhika taya ahutastu Bhagavan jati nicho griheshopi. Any place where Bhagavan usually don't like to go, but if you go, Bhagavan is bound to go. Because if you pull your ear, then automatically brain, heart can go. If you pull your ear, if you pull, then your head can automatically go. So, yes, my Guru Maharaj used to give one nice example. Guru Maharaj used to give nice example. Well, one boy is fighting with Gomata. Come from the posturing field. Come. He is not coming. Guru Maharaj speaking, if he can take the calf in the lap and go, Gomata cannot go. Why are you going to pulling, like tag and wear? Tag and wear, in school, tag and wear with schoolmaster. Student and tag and wear. So, why you are necessarily going to spend your energy? Why not you take the cup in the lap and move? Gomata cannot even police. You are giving energy. So, this is the case. When Bhakti Devi going, Bhakti Devi is not under the control of anybody. It is written in Shastra. Sarup Shakti can go, cannot go. So, Naraji Maharaj still speaking, Satyadi Trijuge, Bodha Vairagyo Mukti Sadhako, Kalautu Kevala Bhaktir Brahmo Sajujyak Karini. Anyway, since Satto, Teta, on other yugas, different kind of procedure was there. Body was very healthy. That time lifespan was 1 lakh Satyuga. So that time, again, Vairagya could help. But now in Kali Kal, no utility, nobody. So, now going to convince, Naraji Maharaj like to convince Bhakti Devi that you are feeling problem. I know, Kali, but I do hear. Kalina sadrishaha kopi yoganasti baranane. Oh, great lady. Actually, like Kali, no yugas, unparalleled, unbeaten. Why? But maybe some problem. Countless, but still. Because Kalina sadrishaha kopi yoganasti baranane. Tasmin tvam stapai swami gehe gehe jane jane. Like Kali, you cannot get even one yuga. It's a great advantage you can get. Harinam Sankirtan, successful. So I promise you, I can establish you door to door in different houses. If I am failure to do, then I am not the servant of Hari. Putting challenge. Tada bhajan anna dharmam tiraskritto puraskritto mahotsavam tada naham harirdase loke tvamna pavartvai. If I am failure to establish in the heart of all, I can dismiss all the plan and programs of other common people. They like to do some aesthetic penance, only to do bhakti. I can do it, I promise. If I am failure, then you cannot call me the servant. You cannot call me the servant. You cannot call me. This way, big problem. Kali always try to make disturbance, so that we cannot speak properly. So, this way, almost finishing. This way, almost we are going to finish. So, Kali Shadrisham we cannot get today. I like to stop here because big problem. I like to, so almost time is over. So, what sloka I started with? Janasya Krishna Devimukha Sadaivad adharmasilasya sudukhitasya अनुग्रहाये हो चरन्ति नूनम भूतानि भाव्यानि जनार्दनस्य वांछकल्पतरुश्च कृपासिन्धु पतितानं पावन वैष्णवभ्यो नमः।